Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with a clear mind. In this video, I will explain how to schedule a day step by step. Begin by listing your top 3 to 5 priorities for the day. Then, estimate how much time each task will realistically take. Remember to include time for breaks, meals, and personal well-being, as these are crucial for sustained productivity. This initial planning sets a strong foundation for a successful day. Now let's build your schedule. Assign specific time blocks to each task you identified, ensuring you allocate enough time without overscheduling. Try grouping similar activities, like answering emails or making calls, to maximize efficiency. Remember to incorporate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every 90 minutes to maintain focus and prevent burnout. This structured approach helps you stay on track. Life is unpredictable, so build in flexibility. Allocate 15 to 30 minutes of buffer time between major tasks to account for unexpected interruptions or tasks that run longer than anticipated. Around midday, take a few minutes to review your progress and adjust your remaining schedule if necessary. This adaptability ensures your plan remains realistic and effective, even when things don't go exactly as planned. Conclude your day with a brief reflection. Take 5 to 10 minutes to review what you accomplished and what might have been left undone. Consider what worked well and what could be improved in your scheduling process for tomorrow. Finally, take a moment to jot down your top 3 priorities for the next day, setting yourself up for continued success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.